This is a sound created only by air escaping your mouth. Place your tongue between your teeth. Exhale cold air. So place your tongue between your teeth. Make sure not to activate your voice and just let the air flow. The exhaled air should be cold and continuous. The air should be cold and should flow straight. To test this, you can use your hand. Make sure the air doesn't go up or down, straight. Mistake 1. F versus th. Don't use your upper lip. Fa versus tha. Example, thin versus thin. The letter F uses the top lip. TH doesn't use both lips, so make sure to use a mirror to confirm that you're actually saying the letter TH. If you don't have a mirror, you can use your camera. Mistake 2. Woo versus th. Don't curl your lips. Wa versus tha. Example, win and thin. Win, thin. Win, thin. Mistake 3. S versus th. There is no friction nor whistling when saying sa versus tha. Example, sin and thin. Remember to relax your jaw. Sin, thin. Sin, little bit of whistling. Thin, cold air. Mistake 4. T versus th. Avoid blocking the air that escapes. Ta versus tha. Example, tree and 3. Sometimes students struggle because they see a letter and they don't understand that it's not in your head. It's just a physical connection. So if you have some difficulty with the letter, make sure to smile because we don't use our lips. So don't do this. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Just make sure to smile. 3, 3, 3. Yikes! Too much tongue? This might creep people out, so use a mirror to guide you. Can be affected by the following vowel sound. Tha, the, tho. The traveling tongue. Your tongue placement travels forwards with words like month, birth. Man, earth. Or backwards, like in thirsty. 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 Or even back and forth. 30th. 30th.
Let's place it in a sentence. We think about your health. Close your eyes. Extend the sound. Relax all your muscles and push with your breath.
So relax. Relax your jaw. Relax your tongue. Just smile. Close your eyes and allow the air to be generated.
Great job! Now go practice.